Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another day of learning about ocean life. Can you all say ocean life with me? Ocean life. Good job. Now remember, ocean life are the plants, animals, and other creatures that live in salt water of the sea or ocean. And do you remember there are about 1 million species of animals living in the ocean? And do you remember this word? Sea creatures. Can you say sea creatures? Good job. Today, Ms. Melanie wants to read a book, one of my favorite books about the ocean. It's called Commotion in the Ocean. And what sea creatures do you see on the cover? Let's see. Which one is this? Yes, it's a whale. What about this one? Good, that's a shark. What about what's up here? Good job, fish. And which one is this? Which sea creature? Nice, it's an octopus. And then, what about them down here? Look how little they are. What are these? Good, sea stars or starfish. Whichever name you want to use, you can use. And then we have seagrass. Yes, good job, everyone. So in this book, we're going to meet some more sea creatures and see what we can learn about them. Are you ready? And there's some counting in this book as well. We're going to count how many sea creatures we see. All right, commotion in the ocean. Are you ready to see the commotion that happens in the ocean? Good. Commotion in the ocean. There's a curious commotion at the bottom of the ocean. I think we ought to go and take a look. Everyone, you ready to take a look? You'll find every sort of creature that lives beneath the sea, swimming through the pages. Everyone, can you swim? Of this book, there are dolphins, whales, and penguins. There are jellyfish and sharks. There's the turtle and the big white polar bear. But can you see behind the wrecks and in between the rocks? Let's take a look and find who's hiding there. And look, let's see what creatures we will find. What sea creatures or ocean animals or ocean life, whatever name you want to give. What do we see first? Yes, it's a crab. The crab likes walking sideways, and I think the reason why is to make himself look sneaky and pretend that he's a spy. Let's count how many crabs there are. 1, 2. Good. 2. There are 2 crabs. 2. Good job, everyone, counting with me. Which sea creature is this? Good, it's a turtle. Turtles, we crawl up the beach from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch, and then when they hatch, they scamper about in the sand. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Let's see how many turtles are on land. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 turtles on land. We're counting the turtles on land. So there are 9 turtles on land. Do you know how many turtles there are together? If there's 9 and we add 1 more, we get what number? Yes, we get the number 10. So altogether, there are 10 turtles, but only 9 on land. So 9 turtles on land and 10 turtles all together. Okay, let's see what's next. Which sea creature is this? It's one of my favorites. Good, it's dolphins. The wonderful thing about dolphins is hearing them trying to speak. It's not how do you do, as I like to say to you. It's more of a click, whistle, squeak. Can you all quick whistle squeak? Quick whistle squeak. Can you go squeak, squeak, whistle, whistle? Sound like a dolphin. Let's count how many dolphins there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 6 dolphins. All right, let's go to our next page. Do you know which type of sea creature this is? It's a fish. It's called an angelfish. Hello, I'm the angelfish, darling, the prettiest thing in the sea. What a shame there are no other creatures as gorgeous and lovely as me. Which one is this? Which sea creature? Good, a jellyfish. The jellyfish just loves to jiggle, which other fish think is quite silly. She knows that it's not all that useful, but jiggling's lots of good fun. See? Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Like jelly. Ooh, which sea creature is this? Ooh, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. Which sea creature? Excellent. Yes, it's a shark. Let's see. Shark. I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide. Why don't you come a bit closer? Please take a good look inside. Ooh, let's look inside. What does he have inside? Good, teeth. Let's count how many teeth the shark has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 shark teeth. All right. Now, let's go to the next one. This is a swordfish. I love to chase after small fishes. It keeps me from getting too bored. And then when I start feeling hungry, I skewer a few on my sword. So let's count how many fish the swordfish is going after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10 little fishes running away from the swordfish. Good. Now, which sea creature is this one? Good, an octopus. Having 8 arms can be useful. You may think it looks a bit funny, but it helps me to hold all my children and tickle each one on the tummy. Tickle, 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 tickle. Let's count how many octopus there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the mommy one makes good 5. There are 5 octopus on the page. All right, let's see which sea creature is next. Do you know the name of this one? Good, it's a stingray. At the bottom of the ocean, the stingray flaps his wings, but don't you get too close to him. His tail really stings. Be careful of the tails. Let's count how many stingray. 1, 2. So how many? We had 2. 2 stingray. Good. Which sea creature is this one? Excellent. Yes, lobsters. Never shake hands with a lobster. It isn't a wise thing to do. With a clippity clap and a snippity snap, he could snip all your fingers in 2. Be careful with them. How many lobsters? 1, 2. Good. 2 lobsters. Good job so far, everyone. All right, let's see what happens next. Oh, remember the deep sea? There are certain sea creatures and fish that like to be in the deep water. And look at them. That's what they look like. Let's see. Miles below the surface, where the water's dark and deep, live the most amazing creatures that you could never meet. There are fish of all descriptions, of every shape and size. Some have giant pointy teeth and other great big bulging eyes. Some of them can walk around and balance on their fins, but the strangest fish of all have glowing whiskers on their chins. Very interesting looking fish in the deep sea. Let's go. Do you know which one this is? Which sea creature? And remember, it's a mammal. Yes, what color is this? What color do you see? Blue. It's the blue whale. Do you remember when Ms. Melanie taught you about the blue whale? It's the largest animal ever to live on Earth. It's an ocean mammal called the blue whale. It's as long as 2 school buses. So let's see what the book says about the blue whale. There's no other beast on the planet as big as the giant blue whale. He measures a massive 100 feet long from his head to the tip of his tail. Oh, that is very long. So on the whale, there's something called barnacles. Can you all say barnacles? Good. We're just a bunch of barnacles, and all we do is cling. We know it's not that glamorous, but it's our favorite thing. Now, there's so many barnacles, and we've been counting. I think you all can count to this number. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A few more to go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Wow, we made it to number 28. The whale has 28 barnacles on it. That's a big number we counted to. Good job, everyone. Do you know which sea creature this is? They have tusks. Good, walruses. Our bodies are covered with blubber, and our tusks are incredibly long. We're grumpy and proud, and we bellow out loud to show that we're mighty and strong. So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ooh, that's a big number too. 19 walruses. Which one's this? Good. Penguins. We waddle around on our icebergs, which makes our feet slither and slide. And when we get close to the water, we leap with a splash off the slide. Count how many penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 penguins. 16 penguins. All right, which one's this? Good. Polar bears. Deep out in the Arctic, the mommy polar bear snuggles up with all her children since it's very cold out there. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 polar bears. Good job, everyone, counting with me. Well, what a lot of creatures we have seen beneath the sea. What a lot of funny things they do. Some of them might lick their lips and eat you in one bite. Be careful. And some might want to swim around with you. The dolphin's very friendly and the lobster's very fierce, but the shark is the most dangerous by far. Can you name the other friends we've made along the way? See if you can tell me who they are. So you know what I would like you to do? Make a list. Take a piece of paper and Mommy and Daddy could help you write the names of the different sea creatures you saw. And make the list on a piece of paper. You could look for pictures with Mommy and Daddy. Put the pictures next to what you wrote and send pictures to us to show your teachers what you have done. I hope you enjoyed the book. It's one of my favorites. I will see you soon. Bye.